In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safeguard your data using Monday.com by guiding you through an easy column locking tutorial. If you're managing projects with sensitive information like budgets, deadlines, or key performance indicators, it's crucial to ensure that only the right people have editing access. To start, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific board where you want to protect your data. It could be a board that contains financial information or project timelines, anything that requires careful oversight. Next, hover over the title of the column you want to lock. This could be a column displaying numbers, statuses, or dates. When you hover, you'll see a three-dot menu appear on the right-hand side. Click on this menu to access the column settings. In the settings drop-down, select column permissions. This choice will open up a settings panel where you can decide exactly who can make changes to this particular column. Now, let's talk about the different levels of permissions you can choose from. You'll find three main options. The first is Everyone, which is the default setting, meaning any team member with access to this board can edit the column. Next, Owners Only restricts editing privileges to board owners, providing excellent control over sensitive data. Finally, there's Owners plus Specific People. This option allows you to select certain teammates who can edit the column, while everyone else will only have viewing rights. This flexibility ensures that you're sharing responsibility appropriately while maintaining the necessary oversight. Once you've made your choice, click Apply to save these settings. After doing so, a lock icon will appear next to your column name, indicating that it's now protected under the parameters you've set. It's a visual marker that your data is locked and secure from unauthorized changes. To verify that everything is working as planned, it's a good idea to test the locking mechanism. Have a team member without editing permissions try to make a change in the column. They should find that it's read only for them, which confirms your settings are effectively preventing any unwanted edits. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now able to safeguard critical data right within Monday.com, ensuring that your workspace operates smoothly and securely. Keep this process in mind whenever you need to protect sensitive information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back